Here is grilled Vietnamese lemongrass vegetables for 4 servings. Prep time about 40 minutes. Bright, savory, and perfect for sharing. First ingredient: 2 medium eggplants, washed and ready. 1 red bell pepper, bright and firm. 1 yellow bell pepper, sweet and crisp. 8 ounces shiitake mushrooms, stems trimmed. 1 medium zucchini, washed. 1 red onion, peeled and ready. 3 stalks of lemongrass, trimmed and tender inner stalks ready to mince. 3 cloves of garlic, peeled. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1 lime, halved for juice. 2 scallions, trimmed and rinsed. 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. ½ teaspoon black pepper, ground. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Finely mince 3 stalks of lemongrass and 3 cloves of garlic. In a bowl combine 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar and the juice of 1 lime. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Slice 2 medium eggplants lengthwise into thick planks about 1/2 inch thick. Place the slices on a tray as you work. Core and cut 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper into large 2-inch squares. Cut 1 medium zucchini into 1/2 inch thick rounds. Peel and cut 1 red onion into wedges. Trim stems from 8 ounces shiitake mushrooms and leave caps whole. Place all prepared vegetables in a large bowl. Pour half of the lemongrass soy marinade over the vegetables and toss to coat evenly. Reserve the other half of the marinade for basting. Preheat your grill to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean and oil the grates lightly so vegetables do not stick. Place the eggplant slices on the grill skin side down. Grill for about 4 to 6 minutes per side until tender and nicely charred. Grill the bell pepper pieces and zucchini rounds about 3 to 4 minutes per side until tender with grill marks. Brush with reserved marinade once while cooking. Grill shiitake mushrooms and red onion wedges about 3 to 5 minutes per side until tender and caramelized. Baste again with reserved marinade for flavor. Chop 2 scallions on the diagonal and roughly chop 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. These will finish the grilled vegetables. Transfer the hot grilled vegetables to your serving plate and arrange them attractively: eggplant, peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, and onion. Sprinkle chopped scallions, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro and 1 tablespoon sesame seeds evenly over the plated vegetables. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the vegetables and lightly drizzle the remaining reserved marinade. Taste and add 1 teaspoon kosher salt and ½ teaspoon black pepper if needed. Finish plating and serve immediately while warm. Enjoy the grilled lemongrass vegetables and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes. Here is the finished dish, grilled lemongrass vegetables for 4 servings. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to get notified of new videos.